Elden have confirmed that the Air Jordan 5 Luminous Green will be released in the autumn of 2025, marking the arrival of yet another unique edition for women. Although the pair's official color listing is Sail, Anthracite, Luminous Green, particulars regarding its presentation, such as material makeup and color blocking, are yet unclear. Although we have incorporated these colors into our hypothetical mock-ups here, they might not accurately represent the official release, so check back for further information. Naturally, there will be more women-only Air Jordan 5s in the coming year. A metallic gold version is planned for the summer, and a full family-size version of the original Air Jordan 5 Grape is also confirmed. Expected to be released on July 5, 2025 for $200.